You are approaching a railroad crossing with no warning devices and are unable to see 400 feet down the tracks in one direction. The speed limit is A. 15 miles per hour, B. 20 miles per hour, or C. 25 miles per hour. Correct answer, A. 15 miles per hour. Next question. This sign means A. You must make a U-turn, B. Hairpin corner ahead, or C. You may make a U-turn. Correct answer is C. You may make a U-turn. Next question. When parking your vehicle parallel to the curb on a level street, A. Your front wheels must be turned towards the street. B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. Or C. One of your rear wheels must touch the curb. Correct answer is B. Your wheels must be within 18 inches of the curb. Next question. This road sign means A. The center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. B. Vehicles may only travel in the center lane. Or C. Sharp left turns ahead in both directions. Correct answer is A. The center lane is shared for left turns in both directions of travel. Next question. When you're merging onto the freeway, you should be driving A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. B. 5 to 10 miles per hour slower than the traffic on the freeway. Or C. The posted speed limit for traffic on the freeway. And correct answer is A. At or near the same speed as the traffic on the freeway. Next question. This sign warns drivers of A. A winding road, B. A narrow bridge ahead, or C. A low place in the road. Correct answer, B. A narrow bridge ahead. Next question. When driving in fog, you should use your A. Fog lights only, B. High beams, or C. Low beams. Correct answer, C. Low beams. Next question. This sign indicates the blank. Vehicles can safely travel in this area. A. Reaction speed, B. Suggested speed, or C. Maximum speed. Correct answer is C. Maximum speed. Next question. A white painted curb means A. Loading zone for freight or passengers, B. Loading zone for passengers or mail only, Or C. Loading zone for freight only. Correct answer. B. Loading zone for passengers or mail only. This sign means A. Divided highway ahead. Stay to the right of the divider. B. Winding road ahead. Or C. The road turns right, then left. Correct answer is A. Divided highway ahead. Stay to the right of the divider. Next answer. A school bus ahead of you in your lane is stopped with red lights flashing. You should A. Stop then proceed when you think all the children have exited the bus. B. Slow to 25 miles per hour and pass consciously. Or C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Correct answer is C. Stop as long as the red lights are flashing. Next question. This sign means A. Pedestrian control sign. B. Flagman on duty ahead. Or C. Roadwork ahead. Correct answer C. Road work ahead. A solid white line down the center of a two-lane road indicates A. Lanes are moving in opposite directions and drivers are not permitted to pass. B. Lanes are moving in the same direction and drivers are not permitted to pass. Or C. Lanes are moving in the same direction and drivers are permitted to pass when it's safe to do so. Correct answer is B. Lanes are moving in the same direction and drivers are not permitted to pass. Next question. This sign tells drivers A. Turning right on red is forbidden. B. They may not turn right or left during the red light. Or C. They must wait for the traffic signal to turn green before turning right or left. Correct answer is B. They may not turn right or left during the red light. Highway markings A. Are usually not important. B. Are only found in construction zones. Or C. Provide information for drivers. Correct answer C. Provide information for drivers. This is A. A right curve sign. B. A reduction of lanes sign. Or C. A road crosses the main highway ahead. Correct answer C. A road crosses the main highway ahead. This regulatory sign tells drivers that A. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. B. All vehicles must turn left immediately. Or C. Traffic in the right lane must go straight. Correct answer A. Traffic in the left lane must turn left at the intersection ahead. To check your blind spot when changing lanes to the left, you should glance A. Over your right shoulder. B. At your rear view mirror. Or C, over your left shoulder? Correct answer is C, over your left shoulder. This sign warns drivers that A, there's a low place in the road. B, there's a winding road ahead. Or C, there's a double curve ahead. Correct answer, there's a double curve ahead. Next question. You can drive off a paved road to pass another vehicle. A, if the shore is. B, if the vehicle in front of you is turning left. Or C, under no circumstances. Correct answer is C, under no circumstances.